Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Camilla. I'm from Indivisible, Rhode Island. As you may know, Mitch McConnell has taken the incredible step of keeping the Senate in session for 2 additional weeks in order to try and cram through another and meaner version of Trumpcare. Be assured that Indivisible will be right there, continuing to call our senators and visit their offices throughout the extension to protest this vicious health care plan. There can only be 2 reasons why any senator would vote to move this plan forward. Either they are incredibly stupid in thinking it really is an improvement over the Affordable Care Act, or they are only interested in providing tax breaks for the wealthiest Americans and corporations who stuff millions of dollars in their pockets. Here are the parts unchanged from the previous plan. First, mandate penalties and subsidies would be eliminated and, according to the Congressional Budget Office, would increase the number of uninsured people by 18 million in the first year.
18 million, did you say?
That's what I said, 18 million.
18 million!
Then, the subsequent elimination of Medicare expansion would increase that number to 27 million and then to 32 million in 2026. Second, healthcare plan costs would be more expensive than those under the Affordable Care Act. Covered services would be fewer and deductibles higher. Third, the tax cuts for wealthiest Americans and corporations remain in place. And, as Robert Reich and Elizabeth Warren have stated, this so-called healthcare plan is in fact just a tax cut for those who would fund crony politicians. And now, the centerpiece of this latest version of Trumpcare is the Cruz Amendment. Under the Affordable Care Act, health plans are required to cover hospitalization, outpatient care, emergency services, maternity care, mental health, prescription drugs, lab work, rehab services, and more. But under the Cruz Freedom Plan, healthcare companies can pick and choose which services they will cover, as long as they sell just one plan that meets affordable care requirements.
Shame!
Republicans have been attacking and trying to destroy the Affordable Care Act since its inception, and that is not a matter of opinion. On October 23, 2010, Mitch McConnell stated, "The single most important thing we want to achieve is for President Obama to be a one-term president." 19 Republican states were willing to deny their neediest citizens Medicaid expansion in an attempt to destroy the Affordable Care Act. And now Republicans have circled the wagons around the most incompetent president in the history of this country, with no regard for the integrity of our country or for the stability of our relationship with the rest of the world. We must fight for a strong healthcare system, and we must fight against the Trump agenda that is clearly aimed at destroying our democracy. Please join with Indivisible Rhode Island by emailing and calling your senators, and join us in visiting their offices over the next several weeks to defeat Trumpcare. Next Tuesday is a National Day of Action. It's called Kill the Bill Day. Led by Indivisible, groups all across the country will be visiting their senators' offices. We will be visiting Senator Reed's Cranston office at 10:30 and Senator Whitehouse's Providence office at noon. Please join us. Thank you so much for having us.